So I've come down the beach, 11 knots, gusting 18. It's a no-fly day, but me being me, couldn't resist. Don't get it wrong, I knew what I was coming into, and I knew it was going to be gusty and all that stuff, and I've come to practice landings in it. There's no problem landing in these type of winds. You've just got to be a little bit sharper and react a little bit quicker to stuff, but it's not for beginners, and I'm by no means an experienced pilot when it comes to paramotor or not, but I knew today it'd be alright. I've probably done about 15 landings, landed on my feet every one, bar one, and I know what I've done wrong, which is the important thing. But yeah, it's not fly. I mean, if you fly, you get up 100 foot, you're just getting thrown everywhere. It's not a nice day. It's not a nice day to go flying and go on a cross country or go anywhere. I'm literally on this little field here, going down the block, land and take off, go down the block, land, taking off, kiting the wing, all that stuff's a lot easier than it is when there's no wind, obviously. So I think when you're a little bit past beginner mode, you should play with it. Any more than this I definitely wouldn't, like, because it can't catch you out. But you know, the way I see it, the worst thing, I'm going to go on my backside as I land, and I'm still not, you know, it's still going to be okay. With the wrong sim settings and the wrong wing setup like I've had for the past 6 months, I was going on my backside probably 2 out of every 6 landings anyway, and that wasn't my fault. There was just never any flare, and I got that used to it. I thought it was normal until I tried someone else's wing, and then I realised, no, that's what my wing used to be like. You know, where's all this flare gone? The flare is obviously what keeps you from carrying on, sinking down towards the ground and smashing your legs in. But I'm happy with my setup again, back on the original sim settings, and made some adjustments and stuff, and now I am more than happy. I'm just looking forward to, I think tomorrow's going to be a nice calm day, so I'll make sure the batteries are charged up when we get a video.